The cell wall is a protective layer external to the plasma membrane in plant cells, bacteria, fungi, and some protists. It protects the cell and helps maintain its shape. Chloroplast is an organelle found in plants and photosynthetic protists that absorbs sunlight and uses it to drive the synthesis of organic molecules from carbon dioxide and water.
Chromosomes are a thread-like gene-carrying structure found in the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell and most visible during mitosis and meiosis. Also the main gene-carrying structure of a prokaryotic cell. A chromosome consists of one very long piece of chromatin and a combination of DNA and protein. The cytoplasm is the contents of a eukaryotic cell between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. It consists of a semi-fluid medium and organelles. It can also refer to the interior of a prokaryotic cell.
The Golgi apparatus is an organelle in eukaryotic cells consisting of stacks of membranous sacs that modify, store, and ship products of the endoplasmic reticulum. An intermediate filament is an intermediate-sized protein fiber that is one of the three main kinds of fibers making up the cytoskeleton of eukaryotic cells. Intermediate filaments are rope-like, made of fibrous proteins.
Lysosomes are a digestive organelle in eukaryotic cells. It contains hydrolytic enzymes that digest engulfed food or damaged organelles. We're keeping it even though Microfilaments are the thinnest of three main kinds of protein fibers making up the cytoskeleton of a eukaryotic cell. A solid helical rod composed of a globular protein actin. Tubules are the thickest of three main kinds of fibers making up the cytoskeleton of a eukaryotic cell. A hollow tube made of globular proteins called tubulins, found in cilia and flagella.
Is an organelle in eukaryotic cells where cellular respiration occurs. Enclosed by two membranes, it is where most of the cell's ATP is made. The nuclear envelope is a double membrane that encloses the nucleus, perforated with pores that regulate traffic with the cytoplasm. The nucleolus is a structure within the nucleus where ribosomal RNA is made and assembled with proteins imported from the cytoplasm to make ribosomal subunits.
The nucleus is an atom's central core containing protons and neutrons. It is the genetic control center of a eukaryotic cell. Boom!
Okay, go.
The plasma membrane is the membrane at the boundary of every cell that acts as a selective barrier to the passage of ions and molecules into and out of the cell. It consists of a phospholipid bilayer and an embedded protein.
Go.
A ribosome is a cell structure consisting of RNA and protein organized into two subunits and functioning as the site of protein synthesis in the cytoplasm. In eukaryotic cells, the ribosomal subunits are constructed in the nucleolus.
Rough ER is the portion of the endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes attached that make the membrane proteins and secretory proteins. Smooth ER is the portion of the endoplasmic reticulum that lacks ribosomes.
A peroxisome is an organelle containing enzyme that is transfer hydrogen atoms from various substrates to oxygen, producing and then degrading hydrogen peroxide.
The vacuole is a membrane-enclosed sac that is part of the endomembrane system of a eukaryotic cell and has diverse functions. 3 tenets of the cell theory are: 1. All organisms are composed of one or more cells. 2. The cell is the structural unit of life. And 3. Cells can arise only by division from a pre-existing cell.
Eukaryotic cells are larger. They contain a nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, chloroplasts, vacuoles, and lysosomes. However, prokaryotic cells are smaller, can have capsules, mostly with cell walls, no nucleus, only contain ribosomes, and no cytoskeleton. They both have ribosomes, DNA, cell membrane, cytoplasm, and can contain cell walls.